Hi, my name is Whitney Donaldson, and I'm in Dr. Stephen White's online communication course. My note card. This semester, I have learned many different types of speeches and also how to give speeches in a proper way. The different things I have learned in this class are how to gain the audience attention, how to relate the speech to the audience, how to write a persuasive speech, how to deliver a demonstration speech, and also the different ways to end the speech. The first thing I learned this semester was how to gain the audience's attention. The first step in developing a speech introduction is to gain the audience's attention. You can easily gain their attention by telling a joke, telling a story, making a statement, citing a statistic, or citing a quotation. When telling a joke to begin a speech, never tell a gender, racial, or religious joke. Jokes are mostly used to break the ice, but if you offend the audience, then they tend to stop listening. So if you're a bad joke teller, you should try telling a short story. If you decide to tell a short story, the story should relate to the topic and let the audience know the story is true. If telling the story is not for you, try making a statement. The statement must relate to the topic. These are just a few ways I've learned to gain the audience's attention. The second point which we went over in class was how to make your speech relate to the audience. If you get the audience's attention, relate the speech to the audience. The audience's needs come first. If they feel as if they cannot benefit from the speech, they tend to stop listening. When speaking to the audience, the speaker's needs come second. The speaker is not speaking for self-gratification. Show your audience that you can relate to the speech. Show them you have similar traits. For example, make a statement saying how your audience will benefit from your speech. The third point in which we covered this semester was persuasive speeches. When writing a persuasive speech, you first have to choose a controversial issue that is debatable. Next, you'll have to narrow down your topic. Once you narrow down your topic, you'll then decide which 2 points you would like to show. On this step, you have to be very detailed. Persuasive speeches are established upon arguments on which you plan to prove. At this moment, your topic should be chosen. Next is to record 2 points you aim to confirm. The fourth subject that I learned this semester was how to deliver a demonstration speech. When delivering a demonstration speech, you will first need to gain the audience's attention. One way not to gain the attention of your audience is by starting your speech off as, "I'm going to demonstrate." Be sure to relate your speech to your audience and also tell them how they will benefit from the speech. After you have done this, tell your audience why you are qualified to speak on this topic. Before you start the demonstration, tell the audience what you will need to carry out the demonstration. Once you have done this, you slowly demonstrate each step thoroughly. In the conclusion, you will go over the steps again to make sure your audience understands. Make sure to ask your audience if they have any questions before ending your speech. If there are not any questions, you may conclude your speech. The last point that I have learned in the duration of this class is different ways to end the speech. One way to end a speech is with a quotation. When you end with a quotation, don't forget to reveal the author's name. If no author is revealed during the research phase, let the audience know the quotation was anonymous. Finally, the quote should recap the entire speech. Another way to end a speech is with a statement. The statement should summarize the speech. If you decide a statement will not adequately end your speech, you may need to summarize your entire speech. These are not the only ways to end a speech, but they are a good way to end a speech. In conclusion, during the duration of this class, I have learned to gain the audience's attention, how to relate the speech to the audience, how to write a persuasive speech, how to deliver a demonstration speech, and also different ways to end this speech. And this concludes my last assignment speech.